Eto de bia ya ba bonten na ya bekasa ma wo bi ni ma wo ma ya kra ye nan esi form. Sometimes ya analysis ni ehwe na ye na ye hwe de ekọ na ye ema wo bi ni ma ase wo ma ye nan esi form. One video na da mo screen so sisi ano me ana no pa we me bekasa ye etrehwe ma adwen wo so se obi nim de ensem aba se oba na wo wom no eye wo no aneba. Now, I know the yentumi interest a yenekre and answer yenekre. But me pesa me kobo audio no response obi nim edeba on this particular video. Na me bo response ne tremo side B assembly a wokan na ye do expose obi nim on sa asem ne so on this particular video where ye ka ho asem no. Enti yenko tie ensema obi nim ka fa sa video poti we ho yenko tie mbra.
Yo, Injurobini fans for Obofobini fans for Bishop Bini fans for. Let say video be and I'm social media. Video be in social media. Actually say, me can say a trend. Me that's all I pay ya na. Na say BBD WhatsApp me. If I'm me pay, the bad grace will be in video. Na just say, I'm a mama. So I say, me yemba or me yemba. Na the social media man for crack say or you side check. Hey, school for side check. Mbuku you. But that would me patch why you yemba. So what I say, na kwa me fa so woni be wi ase no. Miti me ka ho asem bebre. Hu ne tenten sa no usha. Onyini you. Akola kete usha. Tenten na yem. Usha. Usha. We say tin age for ni bi. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 10. We tin for ni bi usha. Usha kra. Tenten na yem. Me ankasa if I say kojo bonsu se kwa me hu nsuo ba me hu nsuo ba so ati me hu nsuo ba na usha onyini usha na me wo no na me ntia asore me wo na me ntia asore a long story so ati say kwan a Jesus Christ fast so e dey be wi ase no a long story nti me pese me ka ho asem e wo hanom so ati say me ne from so bi ni awo 3 gifted ubini from ubini angel ubini na we she friend Chris ubini or Central University na one Sunday be a Japan so one Sunday be a Japan sorry na chese oye de Japan so no be fie o ne papa me didi awi and we ne snap o girls and the boys in collab snap this me wi a metem pass na me so ye I was am de me basa chese mo pese ne ba besa na chese mo pese ne ba besa na me yemba sa me sa check o de munyaisa why one ne papa tintin epe na no nkire se de bi akure me wo no so ati ase me ni for nso bi ni worry na me ni for nso bi ni worry na fan say 15 years ni 15 years ni me ni for nso bi ni worry na pa me ko fa ni free o ma me nchen ya for nso bi ni na tete na ma wani so ati ase enti no e kwa fa so ba wi asa na se kwan ya me fa so no maame e wo ne ba wi asa de minti min ka ho asem wa you din the grace will be the din grace the name of grace adomo no akọ mekire wase dako mekire wase fadini tunti se dako mekire wase de enti a kolawe o ba wi asa e rade de maame ne o maame ntam ami tuni din grace mekire wase so ati ase enti me so Kumase mo ba mi fie nyina mo ni bia meken Kumase me wo top and now me wo nika bia ahomadem dida me kotu dwe and then the shirt no ash color and then nika ahomadem so I say Adidas and sa Puma for you be say and no na mo fie am na fie ho no mo na ma compound ho and no na me toda me di pie kura kugina me fie no animu me fie no main gate no animu na me de jam frama so ati ase tie ya tare a metashe na da kona me bayi se na me kan no oba ne papa de mo snap na me so me na me bayi sai na o de koto WhatsApp status no de koto WhatsApp status so status o de koto na o de koto na kire se obi atwen ya just wa save wa ti wo hu se agye na chew asem be agye se be 2-3 years be 2-3 years
etiefo aha sei ena me nso me pese me bem aha sei ena me pese me bem obi nim say video na ache o say ache be 2-3 years etiefo samote o say video na ache be 2-3 years de me kan say obi nim na e ka say ne ba eno de me to me nkasa mfa ho ba asem bi a wode ato dwa a mo amunim se me de obi be kasa ye hwehwe mu emu no kre no eno na ye beka now ma sheda na mebo video no e wo screen so ma sheda na mebo video no na video no e Snapchat obi a we use Snapchat da bia no nim se wo ba no wo twa e wo Snapchat obi nim se video no e 2-3 years e copyright ntia na ka mebo video no with the sound actual what ye sound na ebo e wo video ni mu a e can promise ni njom bra be fame no sa bra be fame no na can promise boy no e last year and I can promise boss anjom no even the song on that video even exposes obi nim say work say video no e 2 or 3 years aside that no say na mo hwe e screen so no mo ehun say date bi e wo video ni form ho sa no date na wo ho no e February 9th 2020 na Snapchat ucha video a Snapchat filter ba ko de ye ne say e the date na April it even the dates on the video extra say obi ne is lying by saying say video yi e 2 or 3 years ago adan na obi ne mo yesa. Don't get me wrong, by this exposure it doesn't mean say ebia wo ba ne kra wonye obi nimba. Don't get me wrong, ebia na wo ye ne ba that one e obi nim na sem ebia na wo ye ne ba but the year can any say story na wo man no inaccurate because I 2 or 3 years in sensem na wo kan no even the video gives it out say data e wo video ne so no e say ye 2020 and a video yi mo ye unzu obi ni mo se video ni mo ye ya che 2 or 3 years ago and a mo ye now so date was say February 9th 2020. And one thing I like about Snapchat ne say watch your old video now what they about Snapchat now person the my friend saying o person the filter eto so a Snapchat betumi amount time a wo twa ye nti wo behu ebi mo mutumi twa picture na we wo mo post was Snapchat na atro say ebia memories 7 months ago 6 months ago. Snapchat has that filter to show it is a Snapchat atre say February 9th 2020 a den na wo bi ni mo betwa ye ntro say video no 2 or 3 years ago. Obi betumi atena baby aka say and they say we try and draw was say video na 2 or 3 years ago ni ehunu say dabi this year ya just last month ya na mo ye video ya then it could be say asemo a wo kan say akola no wo your background it could be say enye ne kre it could be say enye ne kre because here put there me personally this is my first time I made it say na wo bi nim wa wo kra wo chi ansa na wo be ware flowing so bi nim. And then there will be in the story in the 2 abonten me ba abonten be kan story ni bi ma will be nim. But me aka san so ma koye me hwehwe mu de bia me ka tell mo say me posti stories we a me njai e ma ne nto o. Me a me san so ekoye hwehwe mu. Me aka san so ma koye hwehwe mu ehunu say da bi obi nim is not being accurate with the facts. Even the song in that video gives it out. The song was released by King Promise last year. Brabe Fema no. And yet 2 years ago, I can promise will release it. And last year, no release this anyom no. So 2 factors on the video gives it out. Said that will be him. You are lying. Aden and I was off for yes sir. Angel. Aden. Say ya me din kan kan no. Kennedy Japan asem we buy no. Yen bi mu bi because of the analysis we made. We spoke for a year obinim. Because of the analysis we made, we spoke for Obinim. Because he who said that be send your topanesha, you know, clearly name Obinim fault. But according to the responses are what they Benjamin say to was no one new say fact just say no one preno and the responses now what they ban in and I say he goofs big time. money laundering someone you can say Kennedy Japan the two so no obi nim beba be respond there was say money laundering no kra Kennedy Japan e kan manye wie. How can you come and say that? Say one year you not just say in your head no, yes, you wanted to do money laundering. Asemo. Try mo adwo comment box ni mo wa, me da say.